How are you? And how are you getting on with self-isolation or lockdown or whatever it is in your part of the world? But do remember, it's very important at the moment that we stay away from other people for our own health, but more importantly, for the lives of others. So I hope you're there and you're enjoying yourself and you're finding things to do. And look what I did. I found a book I loved when I was a kid. I'll read you a couple little poems for it. If I were king, I often wish I were a king and then I could do anything. If only I were king of Spain, I'd take my hat off in the rain. If only I were king of France, I wouldn't brush my hair for aunts. I think if I were king of Greece, I'd push things off the mantelpiece. If I were king of Norway, I'd ask an elephant to stay. If I were king of Babylon, I'd leave my buttoned gloves undone. If I were king of Timbuktu, I'd think of lovely things to do. If I were king of anything, I'd tell the soldiers, I'm the king. The other one's called politeness. I was brought up a very polite boy, so this resonates with me. If people ask me, I always tell them, quite well, thank you, I'm very glad to say. If people ask me, I always answer, quite well, thank you, and how are you today? I always answer, I always tell them, if they ask me politely, but sometimes I wish they wouldn't. And that sort of means something to me because I had a very bad stammer when I was a kid, and I really hoped that people wouldn't ask me anything, so I couldn't actually reply. Anyway, if you go to Instagram, I've just read this, another Harry McCleary adventure. I think you'll really enjoy it. Sam Neill the Prop on Instagram. So I'll see you again very soon.